Hey, what's going on? Thank you guys for being patient with us. This little one was not feeling too good today, and neither was Daddy. So we kind of sort of got some rest today and everything, but
I took 2 naps.
2 naps. But we're here. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out, and let's do it.
12 spots.
How many?
12.
12 spots right there. Here we got inside of Fred. Ready to roll. And all right. Okay, so Daniel, Pope, and Matt, thank y'all so much. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Okay, first one out is a winner. Daniel, our opener. Congratulations, Daniel. First one out, you're a winner. Thank you so much. No, Toast isn't in this one. But you remember my friend that I went to go see his new baby girl? He's in it. Oh, back to back, Daniel, but you already won, so congratulations. Mr. Matt Upton, our closer. Thank you so much, Matt. Appreciate it, man. Back to back, Matt. I'm sorry, buddy, but thank you. Daniel, thank you again, Daniel. Mr. Pope, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. What are you thinking about? Mr. Matt Upton again. Thank you, Matt. Should be 6 left. Let's make sure. No, 5 left. 5 left. Sorry. Right? Okay.
This is fighting guys.
Oh, Mr. Matt Upton again. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate it, man. How many left now? 4. No, don't trick them. Okay. Oh, Matt, I'm so sorry. Back to back. Again, how many left now, baby? 3? 3?
Now 0.
Oh, Matt, I'm so sorry, dude. I'm really sorry about that. 2 left. Right? Okay, shake them up real good.
Now there's gonna be 1.
All right, grab out the last out. Okay. Winner, bridesmaid. Bridesmaid today. Oh, Pope, are you kidding me? Bridesmaid. Pope, I'm sorry, buddy. That means our winner. And he was first out. You got it? And last out. Look, nothing inside of Fred.
It's second.
He was first out and last out. So first out and last out. Open it up. Daniel, you got 2 sets of ginger bolts coming to you, man. Congratulations, Daniel. Matt, Pope, neither one of you guys are losers. You're both going to get something in the mail. Thank y'all so much for hopping in. We really appreciate it. And we're out of here. You out? What are you going to do? See y'all.